Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the controller off and move it away from the console. You'll see the removable battery pack on the back. Press the small release tab and slide the pack downward, then lift it free. If the controller uses AA cells, pull them out one by one while noting the plus and markings so you don't reverse polarity later. Once done, set batteries on a non-conductive surface and inspect contacts for corrosion before continuing. If the pack won't budge, use a plastic pry tool at the seam. Do not use metal to avoid shorts and scratches. For a sealed rechargeable pack, you'll need to remove the controller shell. Locate and remove the Torx screws, commonly T8 or T9, separate halves gently, and expose the internal battery. Take a clear photo of connector orientation, then carefully unplug the battery ribbon or small plug using tweezers. Make sure you don't yank wire. To finish, reconnect the battery exactly as photographed, reseat the pack or close the shell and reinstall screws. Power on and repair the controller to confirm functionality. If it fails to power, swap in fresh AA cells or a known good rechargeable pack before further disassembly. If intermittent power, clean corroded contacts with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush. Make sure contacts are dry before reassembly. If the connector is damaged, consider replacing the lead or seeking a replacement shell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.